Hi, you guys. I'm back by popular demand. That means 5 of my friends texted me.
Amateur gardening tips by Lizzie.
Today, I will be going through pruning. Do is trim the pea tendrils that look like they're not going to produce any shelling peas pods. Bye. No, thank you. And then to this guy, I'm going to be like, bye, no thank you. And to this guy I'm gonna be like, bye, no thank you. And I'm gonna do it for all my shelling peas. So I did some pod picking yesterday because I had some that were pretty fat. You can also eat these as snap peas while they're thin, but I want shelling peas, so I will wait till they get fat. I want to point out one little engine that could. So I had one that kind of looked like he died, and so I cut it at its root, and what ended up growing was another head, and it has, what the heck are you? A dead leg. It's because he died. And then this fucking magnificent other thing grew, and we already have a baby pod. Like that's the definition of baby pod. You guys, how cute, huh? How cute. That's gonna be one. We can get a baby pod there. So I'm trimming away at this guy to try and encourage all those little flowers you see. There's one right there. There's one right there. There's one right there. We want to encourage those guys, so I'm trying to trim off anything that looks like it's not helping. The other thing I did today was my broccoli leaves. I started to trim off on the bottom because sometimes, and this is also including tomatoes, if the lower leaves become too low to the ground, it could possibly create some sort of like fungus or something. And it also encourages growth. So I think I'm gonna take that guy off. Let's see, that's really good camera work, Lizzie. How the hell do I do this? Just like that. Now I'm gonna do the thing I never wanna do, but I'm gonna pluck all the outer shards, because when you pluck them from the outside, if you pluck them from the inside, you can create problems. So I don't want to create any problems for anyone. That's kind of like, that's like where I am just generally in life, is if you can not create a problem for someone else and handle things yourself, best to do it. So I'm going to try and help out this shard. I just learned that fava flowers and leaves are edible, and they also the leaves taste like a shelling pea apparently, and the flowers, I'm not sure, but I tasted a leaf and it was really just tasted like a nice pea. So that was exciting. And then I learned that I should be trimming the tops of my favas off about like 3 inches, because it encourages the growth of the beans instead of just foliage. So I just did that, and I thought you would care. I like to put all of my pickings, especially anything with a leaf, in cold water for 10 minutes and let it soak in the cold water, because then any aphids or bugs or anything will float to the top. I don't want to eat you. I don't want to eat you. I don't want to eat you. So you just say, fuck you, aphids. Well, that's my amateur hour tutorial on trimming. Go Violets.
Amateur gardening tips by Lizzie.